System Settings Overview. This video provides a brief overview of the System Settings menu on Helix Pulse. The Settings section allows you to manage device preferences and review system information. To open Settings, select the Settings option from the navigation area. The Settings menu contains several categories depending on your system configuration. Within this menu, you may see options related to network, device preferences, or system information. Available categories can vary depending on how your system is configured. Some sections provide helpful information about your device, including current status details. This information can be useful if you need to reference your system or contact support. Other settings allow you to adjust how the system behaves. Only modify settings you are familiar with. To return to the main interface, navigate back to the home screen at any time. The Settings menu is designed to provide control while keeping daily operations simple.